I volunteered for some additional projects which I was doing on top of what my day-to-day activity was, and there I was able to implement what I had learned at Institute of Product Leadership, and that kind of gave me an edge over the others, and that helped me in transitioning from being a developer to a product owner, and then moved on to being a product management specialist. Hi, I am Pallavi. I am currently working as a product management specialist in Siemens Healthineers. And as part of my day-to-day work, what I deal is with understanding what are the market requirements, what is there happening in the field of healthcare, especially with the AI products in the field of healthcare, and how that can be translated into a product which is accepted by the radiologist and the oncologist community, and as well as it definitely adds value to the portfolio of the company. I had started my journey as a software developer, so it was not an intentional start of my career into product management. And over the course of few years, I got a chance to interact with the customers directly. I have been working mostly in the healthcare industry, so definitely my first interaction was on the other side of the hospital, not as a patient, but someone looking into the requirements, looking at how the systems are used in hospital. And I think that was my trigger moment, that when I realized that there is a life beyond a developer, and it gives way more satisfaction that when you can see what are the problems being faced, what are the challenges you can solve, and problem solving is something which intrigued me, and that's when I actually started a conscious transition from being a software developer into a product management role. And I did transition to a product owner first before moving on to being a product management specialist. The reason for choosing Institute of Product Leadership is their entire concept of learning while doing, their pedagogy, and the offline classes which they have. I think these three factors were very important for me, and especially the offline classes, because in today's world of where we have multiple online classes available, the interaction is missing and the live feedback is missing. Definitely take some courses, maybe a crash course, a short 6 months course, or look for an executive MBA, because having the structured learning definitely help us to transition and understand what are the standards being followed in the industry rather than being stuck to what is happening in the organization.